Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the syllabus pattern and the breakage of marks for your class 12th geography examination 2025-26. As you know that you have a total question paper of 70 marks, okay, and you have two books. So it is easily breakable, like 35 marks for your first book and 35 marks for your second book. Only the units and the breakage of marks in between the chapters will be different. So I'll go through each and every unit as well as the chapter, and which unit or chapter you need to focus upon more. Okay, so you have first book, that is Fundamental of Human Geography, that I have already covered in my previous videos. So in this you have three units. Okay, each your book is divided into like this, you in units. So it is under that unit you have some chapters. So your first book, Fundamental of Human Geography, three units are there. In that you are having the chapters, like in unit 1 you have the basic introduction human geography. Unit 2 you have world population density distribution and growth. Third you have chapter human development. In the third unit you have primary activity, secondary activity, tertiary and quaternary activities, transport, communication and trade, international trade. Okay, so now let me make this clear to everybody that this book is all about the world geography. So whatever you are reading or writing answers in the questions of this uh, book, this is all related to the world geography. Okay, things are clear. Now we'll move on to the chapters which are mainly you need to focus upon while reading your book. So first you need to go through all the unit 3 chapters. Why? Because you see there is a break of 90 marks which is going to come starting from fourth chapter till eighth chapter. So you will find that here the breakage of marks is more as compared to the other unit. So my suggestion is to go for first unit 3 and all the 5 chapters. Okay, now what is the strategy of doing so? You need to read each and every line, you need to make notes and also underline. Also whenever I have mentioned in the videos, you need to focus on those pointings and the questions. Okay, so 1 4 5 6 7 and 8 should be on your fingertips, all the things which are there, starting and ending with the exercises which is given, okay, at the back. Now next thing, that go for unit 2 because it is consisting of 8 marks and there are two chapters in that: population density distribution and human development. So 2 and 3 you can learn in the next phase. Okay, first unit. So for the book 1, unit 3 and unit 2, do it first. Okay, then go for the next. After that, when we go to the second book, that is India, People and Economy, we will see that there are 5 units which are given. Okay, in that 5 unit, you need to basically focus on unit 3 first. In the first book, same unit 3, and in the second book, India, People and Economy, same unit 3. So it's better, my suggestion, if you can complete the first book itself in a sequence, that can be the one solution. And second option is you complete unit 3 of both the books. Okay, because in both unit 3, in both books, unit 3 consisting of more marks as compared to the other units. Okay, here you see, when you'll see the this India, People and Economy, in the third unit the chapters are land resources and agriculture, water resource, mineral and energy resource, planning and sustainable development in Indian context. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 4 chapters you need to be fully prepared in the second book. Okay, fine. Then after that you can go for unit 4, transport and communication and international trade. Okay, after unit 3 you can go for unit 4 for book 2, I am talking about India, People and Economy. Then you can go to the first unit, population distribution density growth and composition, because it is consisting of 5 marks. So you need to, so you are getting, you need to focus on the chapters and the units which carry the more weightage as compared to the other units or chapters. Okay, so after that you can last unit 3 of second book, unit 4 of second book, and after that you can go for unit 1 of the second book, population distribution density. And next you can go for the fifth unit, that is geographical perspective on selected issues and problems. Here in this chapter number 9 of unit 5, you need to basically focus on the case studies which are given, because case studies can come up and based on that the questions will be there, you need to solve those things. Okay, now I'll go to the next this part of map. Okay, map work you have in book, from book 1, Fundamental of Human Geography, you are going to focus upon world political map, that is world map. And do not be worried, because here the question will be only based on identification. We when once we will see the detailed syllabus and of the map, so we'll find that how we which things we are going to learn for identifying the map. Okay, so here in the world map you need to only focus on identifying the things. So before identifying, you need to be abreast with all the continents, ocean, and countries, more or less countries which are in the world. Okay, so here you are not going to point out anything, like you are not going to label the mapping part. Here only identification. When it comes to book 2, India, People and Economy, you have a map which is political map of India, and questions will be 5 only, and they are also the 5. So total map questions are 10. You should remember that I'm getting 10 out of 10 in both the maps, means in 5 and plus 5. So for second book, India, People and Economy, you will be given a blank India map, political map, and you will have to locate and label it. Okay, here there is no identification. You need to really focus upon your mapping skills. Fine. So that's all for this breakage. Now you can start picking up the things on the first hand, which are looking as the most important part of your geography syllabus. Okay, told you which units you need to focus upon first hand. There is nothing like you are not going to do any unit. Every unit you are going to touch. Okay, you are going to read and you are going to solve the questions, because definitely every chapter has some or less weightage. But the units which you are going to do rigorously are these units which just now I have discussed with you. Okay, so total 70 marks breakage, I think it's clear to everybody. Now coming to the geography practical, so it consists of 18 data, its source and compilation, data processing, graphical representation of data, these are 18 marks, and graphical this spatial information technology 7 marks, and practical record book and viva voce, this will be 5 marks. So total 30 marks, your 100 will be there, 70 marks for written and 30 marks for practical. So for project work, you are going you will get the material and the resources of writing about these topics: data processing, graphical representation, and spatial information. You will get all the materials. You need to make a good practical file, because it is including 5 marks here. And during the day of your practical examination, you need to read all the things which are given in your practical book and ready to answer. Okay, for getting 30 out of 30 marks. Okay, maintain the project file very nicely and decorate it. Okay, as per your convenience, use creativity. Fine. So this will definitely give you 30 marks, and this is how the geography syllabus and the weightage is going to come in your exam. Okay, this is how they are being designed to help you in getting good marks in your examination, and how you are going to make the strategy for preparing the whole syllabus.